Now let's look at the job function and job classification objects which consist of job structures. So let's look at these objects. To look at these objects, you need to go to manage data. Under manage data, we will go for job function first. And let's look at the existing job functions. So some of these are like administration. So this has got a start date, job function ID, name, description, status. The important thing is job function type. It is a pick list value. So it has got an inbuilt values. So you need to see whether it fits into your values. Otherwise you will have to define it in the pick list center. So for me it fits into my criteria, so I am not going to define any new values here. So let's define a new job function first. To define it here, we will have to go to create new job function, and I will say start date is 01/01/1900. I will give job function ID as retail, and name I will give as retail services. Description as retail services, and job function type I will give as professional, and I will save this record. So now the job function is created. Similarly, we will be creating the job classification. So let's look at the job classification object. So if I select this administrative support job classification, you can see that there are several fields attached to the job classification object. So the first field is start date, and then job code, which is like automatically created. Job title, what will be the title of this job classification, what will be the description of this job. Status, workers comp code, if there is any parent job classification. Job level, standard weekly hours, regular temporary employee class is full-time employee, yes or no. Whether supervisor level is an individual contributor or a manager. What is the pay grade, what is the job function. Until here the fields are standard, but if you see these fields, RM job code, RM job title, RM job level, these are all custom strings which are created for this instance. So these are the custom fields which are created on the job classification object. So we are not going to define anything over here. And below there is a job classification countries and region. So we will define countries as well. We will define country specific fields. So let's see what is there in USA. If I define USA as a country and I go to details, so you can see that US specific fields are available. So what will be the local job title for USA, what will be the EEO job category, what will be the EEO 4 job category, EEO 5 job category, EEO job group, and FLSA status. So these fields can be maintained here in the country specific job classification object. I will cancel this. I'm not saving this. So let me create one new job classification. I will give 01/01/1900. Job title, let me give as account developer. Same as job description. I will just define the default value here. I will also define the English UK here. Same for description. Default value English UK. Done. and then I don't want to define any worker comp code. Parent job classification, I am not using it. Job level, so let's see the job levels. So these are the different job levels, so I am creating it on a director level. Let me say 40. This is a regular type of a job. Employee class, it is an active employee. Is full-time employee, yes. Supervisor level, I will say supervisor level as director. Pay grade, so I will select my pay grade 99, 9999. Job function, I will select as retail. Okay, so these are the fields. I will select USA and I will see what all fields I can maintain it here. So I will say local job title as account developer. EU1 category, job categories. So I will say professionals and then I will give EEO job group as executives, FLSA status as exempt, done, and I will save this record. So this is how your job classification object is defined. So now we have covered organization structure, pay structure and job structure.